Is the spark in your relationship feeling a little dim? Like you've gone from passionate partners to just roommates? Before you start thinking it's the beginning of the end, what if I told you that you could reignite that flame using a few simple psychological tricks? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I am sharing 5 powerful techniques to rebuild attraction and make your partner fall for you all over again. First up, the principle of scarcity. Remember when you first started dating? The thrill was partly because you didn't have unlimited access to each other. We naturally value what's less available. This doesn't mean playing games, but rather reclaiming your personal life. Invest time in your own hobbies, friendships, and goals. When you're not always available, the time you do spend together becomes more valuable and exciting. Your partner will see you as a whole, fascinating person, not just one half of a couple. This independence is incredibly attractive. Next, let's talk about the Ben Franklin effect. This is a fascinating psychological phenomenon where someone who does a favor for you is more likely to like you more afterward. We subconsciously justify our actions by thinking, well, I must like this person if I'm doing something nice for them. So, instead of always doing things for your partner, gently ask for small favors. It could be as simple as, could you grab me a glass of water? Or can you help me with this quick task? These small acts of service can subconsciously strengthen their positive feelings and investment in you and the relationship. Trick number 3 is to break the routine and create novel experiences. Our brains are wired to pay attention to new and exciting things. When you're stuck in a rut, same restaurant, same TV shows, same weekend routine, your brain goes on autopilot, and so does the romance. Break that cycle. Try a new activity together, explore a town you've never been to, or take a cooking class. Sharing a new, exciting experience releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, and your brain will associate that positive feeling with your partner, strengthening your bond and attraction. Fourth, master the art of positive reinforcement. It's so easy to fall into a pattern of nagging or pointing out what's wrong. Instead, flip the script. Actively look for things your partner does right and praise them for it. Did they do the dishes? Thank them sincerely. Did they say something that made you laugh? Tell them how much you love their sense of humor. This isn't about flattery. It's about making your partner feel seen, appreciated, and competent. When people feel good about themselves around you, they are naturally more drawn to you. Appreciation is one of the most powerful magnets for attraction. Finally, trick number 5, create a little mystery. This goes hand in hand with scarcity. When you've been together for a long time, you might feel like you know everything about each other. Revive the curiosity. Don't overshare every single thought or detail of your day. Develop a new skill or interest on your own and let them discover it. When your partner realizes there are still new layers to you, it sparks their curiosity and makes them want to learn more. That sense of discovery is a cornerstone of early-stage attraction, and you can absolutely bring it back. So there you have it. Cultivate your independence. Let them do small favors for you, share new adventures, praise them genuinely, and maintain a little bit of mystery. Rebuilding attraction isn't about grand, sweeping gestures. It's about these small, consistent psychological shifts that make a huge difference. If you found these tips helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on building stronger, happier relationships. Let me know in the comments which trick you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.